the map of the West Asia. See, this is a very simple map that I have tried to keep. You can draw this, you can also take a click of it, and then you can store in your institutionalized memory. ठीक है? So if I look at the West Asia map, we know this is the African region. ठीक है? ये अफ्रीका का पोर्शन दिखाया हुआ है. This is Africa. This is your Med Sea. This we already saw is your Turkey. What would be this? Which sea? It would be the Black Sea. ठीक है? This is country Syria. This is Lebanon. So here is your Lebanon. Here is your Palestine. This is Jordan. This is Syria. This is Iraq. ईरान. ठीक है? ये है आपका Saudi Arabian Peninsula. To simplify this a little more, if I want to simplify this a little more, see what I am drawing here is Africa. ये आपका अफ्रीका है. ठीक है? ये आपका Saudi Arabian Peninsula है. ओके? ठीक है? So Africa and the Saudi Arabian Peninsula. ये we know this is the Med Sea. This is the Med Sea. This is somewhere is Turkey. यहाँ पे आपका Black Sea है. ठीक है? Here you have your Red Sea. This is the Red Sea. Right? This is the Red Sea. ठीक है? Then you have your Gulf of ये यहाँ पे if you draw this map, right, if you expand this map, this is your Africa. This is the Arabian Peninsula. This is the Arabian Peninsula. यहाँ पे you will see this is a V-shaped location here. ठीक है? ये V-shaped location. In your atlas you can see this. You can see a V-shaped location between the Africa and your Arabian Peninsula. ठीक है? Between the Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, you can see a V-shaped location here. I can show you this. ठीक है? I can show you this. This is nothing but the Sinai Peninsula. इसको हम Sinai Peninsula कहते हैं, right? That is nothing but the Sinai Peninsula. तो यह आपका अफ्रीका का रीजन है. This is your Sinai Peninsula. Here is your Sinai Peninsula. Have a look at this in your atlas. ठीक है? Okay, what was the question? Which of the following countries they do not open out in the Mediterranean Sea? In the Mediterranean Sea, which of the countries they do not open? The option that they had given, one was Syria, one was Jordan. ठीक है? So they had given an option of Syria, the option of Syria. They had given an option of Syria. They had given an option of Jordan. The other option were the Lebanon and the Israel. So this is the Lebanon. This is the Lebanon. This is your Israel. So which of the following they do not open out in the Mediterranean Sea? If you quickly look, Jordan as a country does not open in the Mediterranean Sea. Jordan do not open in the Mediterranean Sea. But does Jordan open in the Gulf of Aqaba? There is a Gulf of Aqaba here. ठीक है? So if I draw this, listen. If I draw this here, this is your Africa. This is the Sinai Peninsula. This is your Arabian Peninsula. This is the Sinai Peninsula. Okay, I'm coloring the Sinai Peninsula. Here, towards the east of the Sinai Peninsula, here if I color this, the red color, this is your Gulf of Aqaba. Gulf of Aqaba. ये Gulf of Aqaba में ठीक है, गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा में जॉर्डन ओपन होता है, ठीक है, वेरी पर्टिकुलरली इंपॉर्टेंट, इट ओपन्स इन द गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा but it does not open in the Mediterranean Sea. In the Mediterranean Sea, a very important lesson here is, in the Mediterranean Sea, the Syria, Lebanon, Israel, all of they are opening, but in the Jordan, this is not opening in the Mediterranean Sea. UPSC has not asked this once, but twice. 2 times they have asked this question. So remember, Jordan does not open in the Mediterranean Sea. ठीक है, but Jordan, it opens in the Gulf of Aqaba. Ma'am, which are the other countries which opens in the Gulf of Aqaba? Remember the short form JC, JESI, JC, that is Jordan, Egypt, ठीक है, here, this is your Gulf of Aqaba, okay, so you have your Jordan, you have your Egypt, this is your Egypt, you have Saudi Arabia, and you have Israel. So Jordan, Egypt, Israel and Saudi Arabia, they all open in the Gulf of Aqaba. Just try to see if you remember the picturesque memory, fine for this. If you don't remember, remember the short form. Gulf of Aqaba, JC, JESI, Jordan, Egypt, Saudi Arabia and Israel, they open in the Gulf of Aqaba. ठीक है, then Dead Sea. Dead Sea is in between which 2 countries? They can ask you about the Dead Sea. Dead Sea is between, just remember the short form, Jodi, Jodi. So Jodi, just remember Jodi. Jo stands for, so I'm writing it here, Jodi. So Dead Sea, this Dead Sea is between the Jordan and Israel. So between Jordan and Israel is your Dead Sea.